Hi, this is a sound test on this 1955 or 56, can't quite remember which, Keilwerth New King tenor saxophone that I've currently got for sale on eBay. These saxophones are often called angel wings on account of this lucite or perspex key guard. It's very art deco, as you can see, so the key guard is in lucite, and so is the pants guard on the other side. So that's the kind of distinctive feature of these horns cosmetically. Um, it's quite a delicate structure, so it's very common to see these key guards broken. This one is absolutely fine. There's actually a very tiny hairline crack at the screw hole here, but it's impossible to see on the camera, and in fact even when I was photographing it for eBay I couldn't get the crack to show, but it is there. There's a small crack where the screw fixing goes through. Um, these things used to break all the time, so when they went back to the factory, eventually Keilwerth started replacing them with metal guards. So you sometimes see instruments that have got factory fitted metal guards. They look great as well, but this one, as I say, has got its lucite guard. This horn is it's in good condition. Cosmetically it's fine. It's lost probably half its lacquer, but the remaining lacquer and the brass that's showing through kind of blend together to give it quite a nice vintage look. So a potential customer wants to know how it plays, so I'm going to just blow a few notes on it and just to see what it sounds like. So let's do that. So it plays well throughout the range. There are no issues with it in terms of playing. Ergonomically, it's quite good. It was based on the design of the 10M, so it's got similar ergonomics to the 10M. The only thing I'm having trouble with is that for me, these palm keys are a little bit low, but I'm not going to bend them obviously because I've got it up for sale. But depending on the size of your hands, you might want to raise these palm keys. You could use risers for that, of course. So I'm going to switch over to recording on my iPad just to get a slightly better sound quality. And I've been working on Miles Davis's tune Force, which is on the music stand here, so I'll have a go at playing that, and we'll see how it comes out.